Wood in agriculture. Wood plays an important role in agriculture in many ways. Here are some examples. Farming tools. Wood has been used for centuries to make farming tools such as plows, hoes, and rakes. Even today, many farmers use wooden handles for their tools. Fencing. Wood is commonly used to make fences around agricultural fields and pastures. It is a durable and affordable material that can withstand weather conditions. Livestock housing. Wood is also used to construct livestock housing such as barns, stables, and sheds. It provides good insulation, keeping the animals warm during the winter months. Fruit and vegetable crates. Wooden crates are often used to transport and store fruits and vegetables. They are sturdy and can be reused multiple times. Mulch. Wood chips and bark are often used as a natural mulch in agricultural fields. They help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Biomass energy. Wood can be used as a renewable source of energy in the form of biomass. Agricultural wastes such as crop residues, sawdust, and wood chips can be used to generate electricity or heat. Overall, wood has many uses in agriculture and plays an important role in sustaining the industry.